Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on subtracting large numbers without a calculator. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the steps you take in order to take one large number away from another. So, first of all, let's come up with two large numbers. Let's say I have 5,129 take away 254. Okay, so what I do is the first step is to line them up on top of each other, making sure we put the first number on the top. So I'm going to write 5,129 here, and underneath it I'm going to put 254. Brilliant. Next step is to start taking away. So I do the units, take away the units, which gives us 5, and then I do the tens, take away the tens. Now unfortunately I can't actually do the tens, take away the tens, because this means 2 take away 5, which cannot be done. Well, it can, but it's a negative number and it's got no place in this method. So instead of looking at this as a 2, I take the 10. So I think about this as being a 12. But if I'm thinking about this as being a 12, I'm going to have to think of this as being a 0. Because before they were 10 plus 2, which makes 12. And now they're 0 plus 12, which makes 12. So I've got 12 take away 5. 12 take away 5 is 7. And then I have 0 take away 2. So 0 take away 2 can't be done. So I look at the number next to it. So I've got 50 take away 2. Okay, 50 can be thought of as 40 plus 10. So instead, I turn this into a 4 and I make this a 10. So we've got 10 and we've got 40. Okay, so this number here is still 50, but it's just written differently. Now I've got 10 take away 2. 10 take away 2 is 8, so I write that down there. And lastly, I've got 4 take away nothing. So 4 take away nothing is 4. Great. So that's our answer. Now always with these things, we've got to write our answer at the end, always the final step. So we write 5,129 take away 254, and we write that that equals 4,875. Okay, let's have a go at another one. So let's have 2,054. I like, seems like I like 54. 2,054 take away 829. Okay, so actually no, I'm going to make this 879. So remember, first of all, we put the first number on the top. So we have 2,054, and then we put the second number underneath, making sure we align the units with the units, the tens with the tens, and the hundreds with the hundreds. Perfect. So now what we have to do, we have to start doing our taking away. So 4 take away 9 can't be done, so we've got to think of 54 as 40 plus 14. So I turn this into a 14, and I turn this into a 4. Now we can do 14 take away 9. So 14 take away 9 is 5, and now we can look at the next, at the tens. So here we have 4 take away 7. Okay, so 4 take away 7 can't be done. So I could think of, I can't, next to it is a 0, which does nothing. But next to that is 200, is this 2. So we can think of this as 204, which we could also think of as 190 plus 14. So we change this to a 1, we change this to a 9, and we change this to a 14. So now we've got a 14 take away 7, which can be done, and that's 7. Now we have 9 take away 8, which is 1, and then we've got 1 take away nothing, which is 1 as well. So then we get our answer, which we write at the end. So we have 2,054 take away 879 equals 1175. Okay, great. Now let's move over to Crack Maths to have a go at some questions there. Okay, so here we are at the Crack Maths website. So I'm going to go down to the All You Need to Know tutorials and click here. Then today we're looking at tutorial 4, how to subtract large numbers without a calculator. So if I click here, it takes me to the page where you'll be able to see this tutorial shortly. And then down here we've got some practice questions. So before we move on from the practice questions, I just want to take a quick look at some of these words. So a clear word that you're going to come across when we do subtraction questions is this word difference. So what is the difference between 987 and 456? And simply that means, what is this number, take away that number. With the difference, we think of the difference as just being a standard number, a positive number. So you can always make sure when you're calculating the difference between two numbers that you just do the largest number, take away the smallest number. Okay, so let's have a look at these scenario questions. So question 1. Sarah had 987 apples and she gave away 456. So if she gave away 456, that means she's going to lose 56. So that means we say that she gave away, but we're also taking away the 456 from her. So we're essentially, this question is going to ask us, how many apples does she have left? Well, she's going to have 987 take away 456. Okay, so we can line this up as we were. So we put the first number on the top. So 987 take away 456. So remember, we've got the units with the units, the tens with the tens, and the hundreds with the hundreds. And we start from this side. So 7 take away 6 is 1. And then we've got 8 take away 5, which is 3. And then we've got 9 take away 4, which is 5. So the answer to this question is 531. Okay, right, so let's have a quick look to see if that is correct. Although that was quite a straightforward question, so I would be worried if it's not. So let's have a look. 531. Okay, let's have a go at one more question, just in order to make sure we're practicing all of our methods. So let's have a look at question 2. And here we have, a store had 1,234 books. They sold 789. How many books are still in stock? Okay, so with this question we've got 1,234 take away 789. So remember, we align our units with our units, our tens with our tens, and our hundreds with our hundreds. So now I'm going to put a line under there and we can begin taking away. So firstly, we're looking at 4 take away 9. Now remember, 4 take away 9 can't be done, so we need to look at these two numbers together as a 34. So if we think about 34, we can think of 34 as 20 plus 14. So we could change this to a 2 and this to a 1. Now we've got 14 take away 9. 14 take away 9 gives us 5. And there we go. Now we can move on to the tens. So in this tens column, we have 2 take away 8. Now remember, 2 take away 8 can't be done because 8 is larger than 2. So, but we can look at these two numbers as a 22. So if we have 22, we can think about 22 as 10 plus 12. So I can turn this into a 12 and I can turn this into a 10. Okay, so here we go. So when I say I turn that into a 10, that's because it's just a 1, but because of the position it's in, it's actually a 10. Well, actually it's 100. So let's have a look. 12 take away 8 is 4. And then we've got 1 take away 7. Now 1 take away 7 can't be done, so we're going to combine it with the number in front. So we're now looking at 11 take away 7. So 11 take away 7 is 4, which leaves nothing here. And we're done. So, question 2, we can write the answer 1,234 take away 789 equals 445. Oh, well actually let's check. Next. Question 2, 445. Okay, great. So now if you're looking for something else to do, you can make sure that you have a go at all the questions for tutorial 4. You can do the practice questions, and you can also come down here and do the scenario questions as well. Okay, great. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.